AI is shaking up the job market big time. Millions of roles are evolving fast. Whether you're in design, sales, support, or strategy, the game is changing. But here's the twist. It's not about fighting the machines. It's about sharpening the skills that make you irreplaceable. Today, we're diving into essential skills that'll keep you ahead of the AI curve. Think creative thinking, smart strategy, emotional intelligence, and learning how to talk to AI. Let's get straight into it. In a world where we're bombarded with apps, alerts, and distractions, focus is your superpower. Let AI handle the repetitive stuff so you can zero in on what matters, like thinking big and creating with purpose. It's all about using tech without letting it use you. No, you don't need to code, but understanding how AI works, things like machine learning and natural language processing, will help you work smarter, ask better questions, and stay relevant as tech evolves. AI isn't your competition. It's your smartest teammate. Let it crunch data, manage workflows, or spot patterns, so you can focus on solving bigger, more complex problems. Human plus AI is the ultimate power duo. Being able to read, interpret, and explain data is a total game changer. It's not just about charts. It's about using insights to tell stories, drive strategy, and make confident decisions, no matter your role. Even the most advanced AI can glitch. Knowing how to spot errors, identify biases, and fix issues quickly makes you the go-to person when things go sideways, and that kind of trust is priceless. AI can analyze, but it can't connect the dots like you can. Your ability to think across disciplines, merge ideas, and empathy, self-awareness, adaptability, these are timeless. Whether you're leading a team or navigating change, the human element is still what builds connection and drives results. Want better results from AI? Ask better questions. Prompt engineering is the art of communicating with AI in a way that brings out its best. It's basically your secret weapon for getting things done faster and smarter. There you have it, a full toolkit of future-ready skills designed to keep you thriving as AI continues to evolve. Which one are you most excited to start developing? Drop it in the comments below. And if you want to keep leveling up with tech that works with you, not against you, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and check out what's next. This is just the beginning.